Hey guys, welcome to the top 3 assets for Unity for February 2019. So the first one is something called racetracks, and it's 2 racetracks in one asset. It's a track for drifting and a track for long drive sprint races with 6 skyboxes, a new look icon for the game cursor. The next one is called Free Pixel Font, and I won't try and pronounce it because I'll probably butcher it, and it's a free TTF font, which is great for pixel art games. So it's a strong fat font and you can draw attention to it with the player, and it's quite nice if you're looking for that style. And the next one is something called standardized bows. So this allows you to simulate the motion of a bow without actually using an animated component. So it sort of standardizes the procedure of rigging and animating a bow for Unity, and it allows you to have a lot of customization in lots of maybe different types of bows that you might have to adjust the sort of the realistic simulations of how you can draw the bow and fire it off with lots of different things in there. So check this out if it's something for you. The next one is the high quality PBR M18 smoke grenade, and it's a high quality model for any type of game, which is around 2600 triangles, 4K textures. So this next asset is something called first person all-in-one, and it's a first person all-in-one open source controller for Unity, and it offers many customization options for a beginner friendly person to get you started. It includes an automatic reticule, dynamic footstep sound effects, dynamic head bombing, built-in stamina system, and much more to play around with. And the next one is something called Grass Flowers Pack 3, and it includes a selection of 12 grass and flower textures, all resolution 1K with alpha channels, and then 1 grass ground texture of 4K with a demo scene included. And this next one is the Open Buildings Office, and it is, as it suggests, is a building which includes 49 different prefabs and 3 building variations for normal, cross and rectangle, with 47 different FBX selections, so you can make a lot of different variations on an office hospital type environment with stacking things up however you need it to be. And the next one is the Desert Set House, and it's from a larger package from the Desert City set, but it's a house model of around 9,000 polygons, 12 PBR materials, and 1 actual mesh. The model has only the exterior and includes this standalone player. The next one is the Low Poly Wasteland Props, and it is a part of the Low Poly Wasteland Outpost and includes a barrel radio tyre, 2 boxes, bricks and road signs with tileable textures of 1K, with varying degrees of with really nice low poly assets. All models include albedo and roughness, and last but not least, I'll probably butcher this name as well, the Crepuscular Rays 3, I don't know how you actually meant to pronounce it. So this is a volumetric light sort of scenario, which you attach the script to the camera and you can drag your directional light onto the slot, and it allows you to add that volumetric light ray effect with a simple script. So be sure to check out all the free assets for February 2019. Thank all the developers who make these assets for free, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.